What's up, guys? It's your girl Mrs.Cowart's Journey, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then make sure you all subscribe, turn on your notification bell to be notified of all my videos, and make sure you all like this video. Any comments that you all have in the beginning or the middle or the end of the video, list it down below in the comment section. So by the title, you already know that I'm taking my hair down after a week of wearing it. I mentioned, like in my DIY video of me doing the dreads that are locks, whatever you want to call it, that I was not going to be keeping them in long, maybe 2 weeks, maybe a week, and it's been literally a week and I'm ready to take this out. And I'm going to give you all the reasons as to why I'm ready to take it out. So let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm just gonna let you know that I tell y'all all the time that every protective style is not a protective style for me. Now, I tried the lock method where you go and you twist the hair or ravel the hair around like your own weave or hair, whatever you want to call it. I tried the method where, you know, I basically just looped my hair in the locks itself. And I'm just gonna say the hair in itself just looked gorgeous. It looked real, you know, it just looked really nice. I like it when it's like just poofy and just looks more realistic to me. However, dolls, it is very drying of the hair. Like my hair, I feel like it sucked up every moisture that I put in my hair. And I think, granted too, because I live here in Florida, so it's hot, and on top of that, like, I wasn't moisturizing it every day like my hair is used to. But girl, the locks, like, they stick on top of each other, like it gets like tangled. I don't know if you could tell, but yeah, you see, you can tell it gets tangled. The jewelry, it gets caught on the jewelry. So I don't know if everybody else is experiencing this problem, but again, you know, I only tell you about what I go through, my experiences with my hair journey. So that's just what I've been experiencing with it. I mean, other than that, like the hair, besides that aloe vera, the hair is great. I will say that I've been keeping my edges as much as I could because I did go to Miami for spring break and we had a bomb time. I got me some henna done. This is the one that I'm getting, y'all. It's gonna be gorgeous. And I love it. It is super gorge, super gorge. Loving it. I did love it. I love the fact that, like I said, it looked realistic, it looked natural. Obviously same thing. But I just had it was just too much tangles for me. And maybe just the hair itself, the jewelry was getting caught on top of each other, so maybe I had too much jewelry on. I don't know, y'all. Girl, see, even right here, it's just tangled. Like, did y'all, I don't know, did y'all experience that? Let me know. I only got a few in, which is good for me because then I can just go ahead, flop, take these things out, and then do what I need to do to deep condition my hair. I'm gonna take this jewelry pieces out. I am not going to be cutting it because my real relaxed hair is in between the locks, so I'm just going to be taking these out. And more than likely I'll probably reuse the jewelry pieces, the ones that are not like messed up. However, I do have a couple of like these little flower pieces that have now like a discoloration, like the gold is coming off of it, so I'll be throwing those out. I usually save this because I don't have that much of it, and like every style that I pretty much have, I just take it back out and then do what I need to do. So I think, honestly speaking, like, I really did enjoy the locks for the couple of days that I did wear it. Would I get it again? I don't know. I don't know. I have a love and hate relationship right now going on with it, only because I feel like it wasn't time consuming, so it was like, okay, I'll do it again, but at the same time, like, I can't get to my hair to moisturize it, so it defeated. It served its purpose for me going to Miami for the week that I did, but I don't know. I love the way it looks, so I don't know. I got pros and cons about it. So we'll see. I did take care of my edges though, like I said earlier. I did moisturize and seal those with aloe vera juice as well as my oils. So see, I just took the whole braid down, or lock down, and then this is my hair here. And I will say that my hair feels really soft underneath it. However, like, my ends were like exposed in certain parts of the lock, so they were feeling very dry, as you know it would be, because it's being exposed and it's in this dry lock. But I really enjoyed it, only because it just really looked really nice. So all I'm doing is just literally pulling it out. I feel like if I would have got like in the water, it probably would have taken like all my locks out. That's how cute. That's how I'm laughing, because I just imagining that. That's how easy I think it would have been. But I don't even think I have to take my jewelry pieces out, but I'm just trying to be very gentle as I do pull it, because I don't want any mishaps with my ends. I think it's definitely important to make sure that when you're putting in the locks that you are moisturizing your hair, especially your ends, so that it is able to just slide. That's so cute. Look what it did to my ends. That's cute. But like I said, the one thing that I did notice is that it kept getting caught on to my jewelry pieces. It kept getting caught on each other, and it kept my ends would come out more and more. And you know, I'm trying to wear a protective style, so I couldn't risk like my ends being exposed like that. I am ready to deep condition, so that's another reason why I am just ready to go ahead and take this out of my hair. So this one, I have the little metal piece. Oh, this might be a little bit more interesting, honey. Let's see. When y'all are taking this out, just be very careful, very careful when you have your hair. Like, I see so many people, I think I mentioned before, who go in and they just be cutting like their hair, well, cutting the weave and cutting their hair. I don't play that mess now. Lord, this hair right here. See how tangled, like, ugh. Okay, so that's off. So we gotta be very careful when we put the metal, like spiral, like these things in, because that one was caught in my real hair, and y'all, ooh, gotta be careful. Okay, let me pull it from here. What I am gonna go ahead and do is to get my amla oil, which is my Indian oil. I spoke about this and have spoken about it several times in multiple videos. But I'm going to use that to help slide those faux locks out my hair, just so it don't get caught up on anything, hopefully. Okay, they seem to be pretty much sliding out though, so work it out perfectly. And I could honestly just go ahead and style my hair in my red dreadlocks, but I really ain't trying to do all of that. So, oh, it's caught on my hair. See? I know y'all probably can't see, but it's caught in my hair. That's why I said y'all gotta be real careful pulling it out, because this type of hair can catch. You can cause more damage than good. So this is my hair so far that I've taken out. And I will say my hair feels so moisturized. Like, my hair loves the aloe vera. Loves the aloe vera. Stay tuned for my deep condition video that will be coming up soon with the Olaplex and my new deep conditioners that I tried out. If you all are not already, like I said, make sure you all subscribe, like this video, and let me know if there's any other videos that you want to see, because I'm here for it, and I am here to kind of just help you all out. You all help me out as to what questions that you may have or what you're interested in seeing. So I will see you dolls later. I love you guys so much. I'm looking a crazy mess. Make sure if y'all did anything for spring break, I want to know, what did y'all do on spring break? Where did y'all go? Let me know down below, and I'll see you dolls later. Bye.
Trees, you can leave your worries. Listen to the way you say you wanna get so high. Breathe me in like air tonight. Listen to the way